Hey, this video is going to teach you how to create a properly formatted APA references page. I'm going to be doing this in two steps. The first step that I'm going to be doing is how to teach you how to use the EasyBib plugin for sources that you found on Google. And the next step is going to be how to how to copy and paste your references over from articles and sources that you found on the database. All right, so I'm going to start with the Google. So basic references page is going to look something like this. The key thing to notice about the formatting is that the title of your references page is called References, and you have your sources alphabetized with the first letter of whatever the reference citation is. The first line of your citation is all the way to the left, and every following line is indented, and I will teach you how to do that as well in this video. All right. So what I have right now is I have a blank Google Doc that I am creating my references page on. To do this for Google articles, you're going to do the following. Up in add-ons, if you have it already, you're going to EasyBib Bibliography Creator and you're clicking Manage Bibliography. If you don't have this, you're simply going to get add-ons and you're searching for that add-on and then you add it. But for right now, I'm going to move forward. So EasyBib Bibliography Creator, I'm going to click Manage Bibliography, which is going to open the side window here. There's a couple of things that you need to make sure that you do right away. First of all, almost all of you are going to be using URLs in this creator. So click Website. The next thing that you need to do is switch the style to APA. All right. So here is what we are going to do next. Let's say that one of my sources is this history.com article. Okay, how the Dust Bowl made Americans refugees in their own country. If this is one of my sources, I'm going to copy this URL. I'm going to go back to my references example and paste that URL into this EasyBib search bar. When I click search, my search results are going to pop up, and this is going to be what it finds. And I can confirm that, yeah, that is my article. So I'm going to hit select. And it's going to load my bibliography and have it be pasted here. All right. Let's say that I have another source. I type it in here as well. Pretend this is a different URL. I search for it. It pops up. And voila, it's added. Okay. And you do that for all of your Google URLs. When you've done adding all of your URLs, you click Add Bibliography to Document, and boom. It is going to paste it not only with the references title, but correctly formatted. And if these were different sources, they would be alphabetized. All right, so that's how you're going to add your Google links to your references page. But a lot of you have found really awesome articles from the database, so I'm going to show you how to do that next. So this is how a lot of you saved your notes, highlighted articles that are now in Google Drive. If you downloaded these notes as I directed in APA format, at the bottom of your notes, you are going to find the bibliography citation created for you. If this says bibliography and you see the key text that says retrieved from, it's in APA format. If it says accessed on, it's incorrectly formatted, it's an MLA, and I will show you how to fix that in a second. But let's say that it's incorrect format. I'm going to copy this citation, Control C, go back to my references page, and since this starts with an M, I'm going to put it below my other sources. And here's the magical keyboard shortcut. You want to hit Control Shift V, and it'll paste with the proper indentations. And you add all of those references to your references page alphabetized using Control Shift V. Now, for some of you, you might have downloaded your sources in the wrong format. It's okay. I'm going to teach you how to fix it. To fix it, you go to Rapid Identity, you go back to eResources, and then you scroll down, just in case you forgot how to get to the database, to Gale or to the database link that you used. So for me, I'm going to use Gale US History and Context. And then I'm going to search for the article that I had saved in my sources. So in this case, I don't have one that I'm searching for, so I'm just going to find a random article. All right, but let's say that this is the source that I was looking for. Okay, so I'm back to my article. You don't need to worry about it not being highlighted or anything anymore. We are purely here to find your APA citation. So to do that, at the top of the page, there's the citation button. You click on that. This is probably what you had, and you have this access. So that's the signal to me that it's in the wrong format. So to change it, you click on APA, you select and copy that. This starts with an M, migrant workers 1999. I go back to my references and I hit Control-Shift-V and it's pasted. All right. So that is what I am doing. That's how you find those APA citations. Again, you know that it is in correct APA format if it says retrieved from the article. You know that it's an MLA and incorrect if it says accessed on a certain date. So that's the signifier for me when I'm checking to make sure that everything's correctly formatted. Once that you have finished your references page, it should be formatted like this, double spaced, no extra spaces in between your citations, alphabetized, and with this hanging indent. Then you can submit it. You paste it to the bottom of your essay on a separate page, and you turn it in. All right. I think that's it. If there's anything finicky that happens with your references page, just see me for help. But this is, if you even do this much with a couple of small errors, you're all set and it's a fully acceptable references page. So thank you and good luck.